All right, so here we are again, back for another video. Some more fun, guys. Let's do it. All right, let's go. All right, so calculating and comparing simple and compound interest. Let's do it. Uh, we have one investor investing at a simple interest rate, 2% per year. Another investor investing at a compound interest rate, the same amount of money, the same interest rate. They want us to compare. All right, guys, this is a repetitive calculation. Anytime, yeah, I just said it. Anytime you're in the homework, anytime you're on the quiz and you want to calculate simple interest, what are you going to do? You're going to grab this Excel sheet. You're going to type it in. Look here. Look, guys. $70,000. The rate is 2%. The time is for 1 year. Simple interest is P times, compound. Let me start again. Future value simple interest is P, the present value, times 1 plus RT. All right. I just typed it in using the cells. All right. See the cells that I'm using? P, R, and T. Hit enter. All right. Next, I'm calculating interest. Interest is the future value minus the present value. Every time? Yeah, every time. Yeah, you got it. All right. A minus P. Look, just click on the cells. A minus P. You got it. All right. So the first year, 1400. Notice simple interest is only compounded on the principal. So every year it stays exactly the same, right? Every year. Now you say, well, what if I had a more challenging thing? What if I had something totally different? Could I still use? Yes, watch. Suppose I invest $2,500, all right, at a rate of 3.5%, all right, 0.035. Let's enter it as a decimal. There we go. I need to make this look nice, right? Need to format it properly. There we go. All right, so 3.5%, right, for 5 years. And there you go, right? There you go. The future value is $29,3750, and you earned yourself $437.50. All right, for anything. Look, you could just grab this, grab these two, drag them down, right? There's not going to be anything in there because there are no numbers for the P, R, and T, right? There's nothing there. But all you got to do is fill this in. You say, really, truly, that? Yeah, really, truly. Just watch. 1,500. All right, 0.056 for 8 years. There you go. I'm all done. Let's format this correctly, make it look nice, right? Make it aesthetically pleasing, right? There we go. Okay. Now you say, well, this was a comparison though, Hughes. This wasn't just that. I gotcha, right? We're there. We're doing it. All right. So here is the investor with compound interest. Remember, everybody, compound interest is interest that is computed on interest. That's the difference, right? Simple interest is interest on principal. Compound is interest on principal and interest. Okay. So the first year, they made the same amount of money. Why? Because they had the same amount of investment, the same rate, and it was all for 1 year, so no difference. Now, on this one, guys, check it out. This gold cell here, it's a formula. All right. So it says K12. What does that mean? It means it's taking the future value at the end of that first year. Okay. So at the end of the first year, they had 71,400. Remember, I said compound interest computes interest on interest. So I got to add that 1,400 in. The same 2%, the same 1 year, the same N is 1 because it's compounded annually. And now I just drug this formula down, and you can see everything is computed for you. You don't have to do any more formulas. Once you type them one time and drag them down, right? One time and drag it down. Okay. So the third year, I just went up here. Look, guys, once again, click on the cell. I went up here and grabbed the future value from the second year, brought it up here to make it the present value for the third year, 72,828, the same interest rate, the same time as 1 year, the same compounding period is annually, and there's my answers given to me directly. So in the homework, you're comparing. They both earned 1,400 the second year. That's the same. The second year, The guy with compound interest earns more. The third year, the person with compound interest earns more. All right. And it's easy peasy. You're done there. Okay. All good. Now you say, okay, Hughes, what if? I know you like the what if. Okay. So what if I came across a question in the homework and it said, find the future value of something that had nothing to do with this question? What would I do? Okay. Let's suppose I want to find, I have $575. All right. And I want to invest that money at a rate of 7.5%. All right. First of all, I got to put that in as a decimal, 0.75%. All right. Let's go ahead and format this. Also, let's just go ahead and format it to a percentage and add our decimal places that we want. There we go. Let's suppose this was for 10 years. And let's suppose it's compounding monthly. So n is 12. What would I have? All right. So if I have $575, I let it sit in my account for 10 years, I'm going to have $1,006.25. I made 431 bucks. You say that's not much, and I say you didn't put in much, you don't get out much, right? That's the way it works. So let's try one a little bit more fun. Let's suppose I put in $15,000. $15,000 into account that is 3.5% interest. And I'm doing this for 35 years and it's compounded monthly. Not 15, that would be funny, right? So monthly. And the hashtags tell me you need some more room over here, right? Got to have some more room. So got to make my column wider. And there you go, 18,000. I'm sorry, 18,000 interest. I have 33,000 in my account. All right. So for the next one, you guys got to be on the lookout for what? The next one, you got to be on the lookout for future value of an annuity. That's where you make payments. And another one, I'm looking for the present value. So look for those guys in some future videos. Take care. Over and out. Bye.